In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to BigQuery. If you're ready to take your data analysis to the next level, integrating Google Analytics with BigQuery can open up a world of possibilities by enabling deeper insights into your website's performance. Today, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring a smooth and seamless connection. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll start within your Google Analytics 4 or GA4 property. You'll want to navigate to the Admin section. Once you're there, you'll look for the property settings, and under that, there's an option called Product Links. Click on BigQuery links from the list, and you'll see a prompt to click Link. This is the area from where we set up our connection to BigQuery. After finding the BigQuery section, the next step is choosing the correct BigQuery project. You must confirm you've picked the right one, as this ensures that the data flows to its intended destination without any hitches. Now, on to the next step, which requires you to select a data location or region for your export dataset. This is crucial because the location can affect processing latency and costs. If you're not sure which region to choose, it's generally a good idea to pick one close to where most of your team operates or where your infrastructure resides to optimize performance. Moving on, you'll need to configure your export preferences. Here, you'll see options to select which data streams you want to export. You also have the option to exclude specific events if that's something you require. This step is all about narrowing down your data to what's most important for your analysis. So think about what metrics and dimensions are crucial for your business objectives. One of the most critical decisions in this process is choosing the type of export. You have two options: daily export and streaming export. With the daily export, you'll receive a full day's data from the previous day, which is useful for in-depth analysis of completed datasets. On the other hand, if you need data continuously updated throughout the day, the streaming option is your best bet. It provides near real-time data, making it the optimal choice for businesses that require constant monitoring and quick responses. Once you have configured everything according to your needs, it's time to submit the setup. Keep in mind that the export process might take up to 24 hours to start, so don't worry if you don't see immediate results. And that's how you connect Google Analytics to BigQuery. Remember, having this setup not only gives you broader insights into your data, but also allows you to use advanced tools for deeper analysis. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.